My name is Seth and welcome back for another video. In this one we are going to build the second cover, which will be fixed to the first cover using some bolts and screws on the assembly. So this is the picture of the second cover and this is how it looks like in the differential gearbox. So let's begin by creating a new file, a part design. You're free to select any plane you want. I'm going to select the front plane and let's begin our sketching. I'm going to change the view first. Click on the sketch. So the feature that we are going to use to build our form of the second cover is the revolution. So the hard thing about the revolution is the sketch. The sketch is really detailed with a lot of dimensions, so we will focus on that to get the exact dimensions that we need on the second cover. So first let's create some center lines. The first one should be horizontal, second one should be vertical. Good. The dimension here of this center line is 31.5. So first I'm going to create the lines that we need, and after that I will start the full dimensioning. So follow me on this line creation, and after that we will dimension our form. So let's go. Perfect, now we have the form, so let's start the dimensioning. Here we have 2.5. Here we have 3.5. Good, now we have the full dimensioning that we need for the form, so now we can exit the sketch and use the feature that we need. So the feature that we are going to use is the revolve base. The axis of revolution should be this one. Nice. Click OK, and here we have the form that we need. Select this face and change the view, the other one, and let's begin our sketching. Click on the sketch. I'm going to add 3 center lines here. The first one should be on this axis. The second one should be inclined like that, and the third one as well. Now I need to add a relation between these two center lines, and I need them to be symmetric. So what I'm going to do is that I will not select the full center line, but I'm going to select the last point of the center line and select the last point of the other center line, and then click on the mid center line and add the relation symmetric. Good. And now the angle between this center line and this one is 35.28. Now I'm going to need some 3-point arcs. So let's click on the 3-point arc. The first point of the 3-point arc is this one. Make sure the white icon appears next to the pencil. It means that you choose the intersection between the center line and this one, and then click on it. Click on the other one. Always make sure you have the white icon, and then the third point should be on this circle. Good. We need another 3-point arc, so I'm going to select here. I'm going to select the other one. Always make sure you have the white icon, and the third point should be on this circle. Now I will add some lines between this one and this point. The second line should be between this point and this one. And now we have the sketch that we need. Click OK and then exit the sketch. Now we will use the cut extrude feature. So let's click on the extruded cut feature. Let's put it on blind, and the depth is 13. Good. Now we have the form of the teeth. The next thing that we need is the hole. So to create the hole, let's select this face, change the view, let's go to the sketch, and let's create a circle. Make sure the circle is on this axis. The distance between the center of this circle and the big center is 40.5. If you remember, it's the same dimensioning as the hole on the cover. The dimensioning of this circle should be 6. Now we can exit the sketch, and let's go for an extruded cut. Let's make it through all. Click OK, and now we have the hole. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to repeat this cut extrude and this one around the cover. So the feature that we are going to use is the circular pattern, and let's select the first cut extrude and second. The instances that we need are 6. Make sure it's some equal spacing. The direction should be this edge. Click OK. Good. Now we have the form of the second cover. All we need now are some fillets. Let's select this face and this edge. Go to fillet, and let's make it 1 mm radius. Now I'm going to select this edge. Let's rotate this one. I'm going to select this edge and this one, and let's add a fillet of 1.25. Perfect. And now we have the full form of our cover. So the last thing that we are going to do is to change the color. Let's put it on. I'm going to select the whole part. Good. And color, let's make it gray, like that. Good. Now we have the second cover ready to use on the assembly. So as you can see, it's not a hard part to do. The only hard thing about this part is the dimensioning on the first sketch. Other than that, everything is easy. In the next video, I'm going to create the shaft. So I'll see you on the next video. So peace out.